Hey guys, it's MC Fix It here. We're back with another unboxing and review. Today I have the Ridgid 18 volt hand vac. Been wanting one of these for a while because I have lots of messes in my garage and in my vehicles, and I don't want to use the house vacuum. And so I got this. I was on a Black Friday deal. I'll put a link down in the description for some availability, whether it's on Amazon or Home Depot. This is the tool only, so you will need a 18 volt battery, but their 18 volt battery works on all of them, and free lifetime agreement. If you have anything really happen to the tool, they will replace it or fix it for free. You do have to register in 90 days. And right here is the part number. So we're gonna go ahead and open it up. Do be careful whenever you're opening up boxes so you don't cut way down into it. You just want to go right on the very top of it. This does come with 3 different tools, including an extension wand, which is kind of nice for having to get into little nooks and crannies. And then you have this tool and this tool. This is probably the one I'll use the most when you're going in little areas. So this is what it looks like. There's nothing you really have to do to put it together, which I like. Make sure to read all of your instructions. And so just like pretty much all of the Ridgid tools, they just slide right on into place, and you're pretty much ready to rock and roll. This one does have a easy release, so you can dump all of your stuff in the garbage, and it does have a filter too. I'm sure you can buy replacements. But let's go ahead and give it a whirl. So for my demo, I'm actually going to be using this on the ground. So I'm going to use that extension and then use this piece right here. You can see this is my workshop. It is pretty gross. We do lots of like resin dyes and disc dyes and car repair videos and house repair videos. So this thing is really easy to use. You literally just press it on. And you just move it down and turn it off. You can easily go ahead, detach, and I like to push it down towards the ground. You can see all that junk I just collected. That little silver wrapper right there is from all the packaging I do and sending stuff out. And go ahead and throw it in your trash bag. And if you need to do more, you just keep at it. So my overall thoughts, I haven't used this a ton yet, but overall, it actually has really good suction. I like how easy it is to turn on and off, that quick release. I like that it does have the filter as well. That is something that you may have to change eventually, but it does suck pretty much everything up. There were toothpicks on the ground from doing disc dyes. There was all kinds of stuff everywhere, and so it picked it all up. I do like this function as well because it allows you to not have to bend over as far, or if you just want the tube extension, you can just use that. I also like this little thing. This is going to work really well for getting into little nooks and crannies, like in your vehicle when you need to clean and get between seats. That thing is going to work really well. So overall, I really like this product. I'm not sponsored by Ridgid. If you want to sponsor me, give me a shout out. But I do really like their products. I love their lifetime warranties. I've had one tool that's gone bad and sent it to get fixed, and they ended up sending me a brand new tool for free. So within 90 days, go ahead and scan the QR code on this sheet here. Set yourself up an account. So scan that QR code, set yourself up an account. Only takes a few minutes, and then you have a lifetime warranty. It also works for their batteries too. So if you're buying a set of tools and you want it to last forever, Ridgid, you really can't go wrong with. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go ahead and click that subscribe button. Put a comment down in the comment section below. All of that helps me grow this channel and be able to make more content for you. Have a great day.